Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on your Black Shark Pad 7 Pro. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go to settings. If you want to fix it, you want to go to network and internet. Here you want to click on internet. And the first thing we're going to do is, of course, a quick turn off and turn on our Wi-Fi. So this is a quick restart. Now what are we going to do next is we're going to go over, click on the gear icon on the network that we're connected to, and we're going to click on forget. As you guys can see, the network is not friendly towards us now because we still have to enter the password because we just forgot it. But once we enter the password, you should see, after we press the check mark, you should see that it's saved, connected, and you should have your Wi-Fi signal right here. Now, what are we going to do is we're going to click on the gear icon, and here we have the settings. So as you guys can see, we want to make sure that everything is matching, that we have the transmit link speed and receive link speed. Of course, the addresses are all private. Here, the type, if you have Wi-Fi 5, then I would recommend switching to Wi-Fi 6. It's much faster, much better, and more stable than Wi-Fi 5. But if your router does not support it, then we're just gonna skip it. Now we're gonna go over and we're gonna leave the network and internet here. What are we gonna do next is we're gonna restart the tablet. So to restart it, you need to go over and press and hold the power button right at the top here. Now, after you press and hold it, make sure that you do not hold anything else. I only hold the power button. We're clicking restart, and as you guys can see, the tablet is now restarting. So even the focus can get it, but our tablet is here. After the restart, as a last resort, what are we going to do is we're going to check for software updates. So we want to wait for the tablet to turn back on. And after it turns back on, what are we going to do is we're going to go over into settings. In these settings, we want to scroll down here on the left side and go over into system. Now in the system, we want to scroll down to system updates and we want to click check for update. So as you guys can see, the Wi-Fi is still turning on. Now as you guys can see, we got it and we can check for updates. We want to make sure that we are on the latest version so that there are no glitches. And that's it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.